This is the 1000 watt MPG A1000G PCIE5, manufactured by MSI, with a current MSRP of $200 US. It is a fully modular ATX 3.1 power supply, with an additional hybrid fan mode allowing passive operation for low loads. We tested 2 samples of this power supply and both stopped functioning before we completed our test, so we cannot recommend it. For more information on the partial results and failures of the unit, see the product page on the LTT Labs website. The power supply comes in reasonable packaging and measures 150 by 86 by 150 millimeters. Considering cable flexibility, it has an effective depth of 190 millimeters. The MPG A1000G PCIE5 is accompanied by the accessories as shown and supported by a 10-year warranty. This warranty period is as expected for a power supply of this class. The fully modular cables are of acceptable quality. They should cause no problems while building and cable managing your computer. The provided cable set includes a single 12-volt 2x6 cable, allowing it to power all types of high-wattage GPUs. Now, here's a message from our sponsor. Thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. We've been using their secure, high-speed VPN for years, and you can too. Get a special deal by going to pia.com/PSUcircuit. For full specifications and test results, follow the link to the product page on the LTT Labs website.